Hello everyone, this video is about rare and valuable stamps from around the world. The first is from Switzerland 1935, 10 cent on 15 cent. Disarmament conference, inverted surcharge, original gum and choice centering. Only 50 examples were issued. Mexico 1975, 60 cent, Guzman and Ramirez, original gum and never hinged, bright and fresh, very fine, seldom offered key airmail issue. Scott C 47 1A. China 1912, 1 cent ochre, commercial press overprint, top character shifted to right instead of left, deep color and clearly impressed overprint. Now next is Hong Kong 1962, $1.3, pale yellow inverted in the right and central vertical strips and omitted in the left strip. Watermark is inverted in all. Now US 2 cent parcel post, mint single, large margins all around and being perfectly centered, bright fresh color and original gum, superb 98 jumbo grade. Great Britain 1867, Queen Victoria 2 shilling dull blue, spray of rose watermark, without gum, well defined impression, rich bright color, Stanley Gibbon number 118. US 10 cent grey violet, the perfect mint single, flawlessly centered amid large margins, rich color, immaculate original gum and gem 100 grade. USA unissued H rate, yellow head, only exists used. It is well centered and has unusually light purple cancel, extremely fine, superb 95 grade. Turkey 1915, 2P blue black, carmine overprint, original gum and well centered, very scarce key newspaper issue, Scott number P130. Mexico 1917, 1P blue and black with vignette of 5P, top margin block of 4 with original gum and white margins. It is bright and fresh. Next is USA 32 cent garden flowers, booklet pane of 5, imperforate error pane still in the original booklet with rejection mark at the top. Only one other exists. China 1882, large dragon, white margins, 5 Candarin yellow ochre, thin paper, full original gum, fine and choice, classic China rarity. USA 29 cent, wonders of the sea, sea tenant block of 4, imperforate, top right corner, plate number block, bright colors, original gum and very fine. Great Britain 1865, Queen Victoria 4 pence, vermilion, large garter watermark, horizontal pair, letter HN and IN. This has original gum. USA 29 cent, New York Stock Exchange, center engraved black inverted bottom margin single, only 2 pence of 56 with inverted centers have been found. Next is China Railway 1909, 10 cent, 20 cent and 40 cent, Peking to Henko issues, all with original gum, strong radiant colors and center to bottom. USA 1932, 3 cent Boulder Jam, perfectly centered within large margins, Gem 100 jumbo grade, only example to receive this grade, Scott number 774. Mexico 1865, Eagle 4th period 2R orange, Durango with same vertical bisect on a small piece and manuscript cancel, Scott number 23 and 23E. USA 1938, Presidential 5 cent bright blue, original gum never hinged, flawlessly centered Gem 100 grade, one of only 2 to receive this grade. France 1931, 1.5 franc plus 3.5 franc, French provinces, bottom margin block of 4 with original gum, bold color and clear impression on clean paper. Mexico 1892, Hidalgo medallion 5 pence, blue green, original gum, hint remnant, choice centering and margins, only 200 were issued, Scott number 230. Gibraltar 1889, 10 cent carmine, value omitted. It is with original gum and is nicely centered with rich vivid color. Rare with only a handful examples are known. Mexico Airmail Official 1932, 50 cent, dark blue and claret. Servicio Official overprint. Rich vibrant colors on fresh clean paper. Paraguay Telegrafo National 1892, 50 cent, black and greyish lilac, top right corner margin block of 4 with full original gum and choice centering, rare multiple. Mexico 1936, Eagle Man 20 cent, lake color with original gum, rich color, centered low and attractively balanced around, fresh and fine, Scott number C76A. Chile 1859 Columbus 10 cent pale slate blue watermark E block of 4 with mute circular grid cancel. Ample margins and only 3 such blocks exist. USA 15 cent Statue of the Liberty block of 6 with bottom left pair being imperforate between and also imperforate in the left margin. Next is Azores 1868 10R yellow barred 48 circular cancel with ample to large margins with nice centering and unusually rich color. Scott number 2. USA 1943 Overrun Nation 5 cent Netherlands reverse printing used example well margin light serious cancel only recorded used example. Liberia 1941 50 cent on 20 cent magenta color first flight Liberia to US original gum fresh with deep intense color only 5 mint are known. USA 1938 24 cent grey black with rich fresh color and it is well centered with original gum. Gem 100 grade 1 of 4 to receive this exalted grade. Newfoundland 1930 50 cent on 36 cent Columbia flight. Columbia was able to finish the flight landing at Croydon Airport on October 13. USA 1938 presidential 16 cent black mint single with balanced margins, strong color and impression. It has original gum and gem 100 grade. Liberia 1892 8 cent brown and black center sideways horizontal pair without gum showing single vignette vertically split between stems. Scott 37. USA 1938 presidential 14 cent blue perfectly centered with original gum gem 100 grade highest grade awarded being one of only 2. Next is from Great Britain 1840 1 penny black plate 1A letter GL no gum margins ample to clear at upper right strong color and fine to very fine. Canada 1927 25 cent London Ontario to London England flight perfectly centered only 9 mint or unused examples have been recorded. New Caledonia 1859 Napoleon III 10 cent black corner margin block of 4 with wide sheet margins scared position multiple Scott number 1. Faroe Island 1919 2 ore on 5 ore green colored stem full original gum well centered amid wide margins bright and fresh very scarce Scott number 1. France 1928 10 franc on 1.5 franc Ilete France with original gum it is nicely centered for this notoriously off-centered issue Scott number C4. Liberia 1936 6 cent on 1 cent to 6 cent on 3 cent airmail issues full original gum nicely centered even margins Scott number C1 to C3. Greece 1862 Hermes head Athens print 10L orange on blue 01 on back it has original gum Scott number is 19D. Next is from Manchukuo 1945 3F plus 47F to 6F plus 44F Patriot Aviation Fund unissued set all with original gum. Burma 1859 Provisional Government 18 cent olive bister large part original gum large and well balanced margins Scott number 16B. Mexico 1892 numeral 10P carmine with original gum it is well centered amid wide margins very fine and choice and scarce mint high value Scott number 229. USA 1982 20 cent Christmas season's greeting C10 and imperforate lower right zip block of 4 with original gum Scott number 2030B. France 1917 5 franc plus 5 franc war orphans well centered amid wide margins bright and fresh with rich color choice centering Scott number B10. USA 1965 5 cent Florida yellow color omitted top sheet margin single in immaculate mint condition very fine Scott number 1271A. Mexico 1868 Hidalgo thick figures perforated 50 cent blue on light pink color error cons 1468 without name of the district. Next is Great Britain 1883 Queen Victoria 10 shilling greenish grey on white paper anchor watermark 1883 town cancel rich bold color SG number 135. St. Vincent 1880 seal of the colony 5 shilling rose red perforation 11 to 12 and a half small star watermark barred corner cancel and bold colors. Now Iran 1917 24 cent on 1K Karman Shah surcharge. It is with original gum and is a very scarce surcharge. Scott number 587. Mexico 1867 Gothic Mexico half are black on buff with original gum and full margins. It was printed on used paper remnants due to shortage of stamp paper. Korea 1948 Singman Ri 5-1 deep blue block of 4 with original gum. It is nicely centered and very fine, squad number 90. Next is from Colombia 1859 5-cent blue coat of arms tet pitch pair in horizontal strip of 3, margins large to just into the upper frame line at the right. Great Britain 1882 Queen Victoria 5-pound pale dull orange on bluish paper with neat central Birmingham Town Council. SG number 133 variety. Canada 1855 Jacques Carter 10G blue on thick paper, regummed ample to large margins, rich bold color, scarce unused example. Great Britain 1902 King Edward VII De La Rue printing 1 pound dull blue green, bottom margin single with vertical markers, SG number 266. Papal Roman States 1852 1S black on rose, original gum clear margins all around, hinge remnant and covered thinning at the lower left, squad number 11. Canada 1857 Queen Victoria 7.5D green with original gum large margins, trace of imprint at the lower left, rich color and extremely fine. China People's Republic Military Stamp 1953 Army M1 $800 yellow, orange and red without gum is issued, squad number M1. New Zealand Postal Fiscal 1948 3 pounds and 10 shilling rose colored stamp with multiple NC and star watermark. It has original gum. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.